If you are looking for how to merge image and text in PPT, then keep watching the video. First, you need to go to the insert and click on the picture. Click on this device, select the image and click insert. Resize the image according to the slide. Then go to the insert, click on the text box. Now type the text as the needed. So once you are happy with the text, make it center and right click on this dot and go to the format shape and make sure it should be no fill, and on the line it should be no line. If you select the solid line, you can see that here is the solid line appeared, and if you select the solid fill, and here you can see that the background is appeared. So you can change the color as per the requirement from here. So right now I am selecting no fill and no line. So once you are happy with the text and image placement, now select text and image both by pressing Ctrl key and right click and go to the group. Click on the group and now you can see that both image and text is moving on the slide. You can even resize it and move and place anywhere on the slide. So in this way you can easily merge image and text in PPT. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.